The E56 error code on a Bosch dryer indicates a communication problem or issue within the appliance, which may be caused by a malfunctioning main control board or faulty connectors. Common causes of this error include a loose or damaged connector on the control board or a faulty control board itself. To resolve the issue, start by resetting the dryer, as the error may be due to a momentary electronic glitch that can be fixed by simply turning the machine off and on again. If the error persists, inspect the wire harness and check the connectors on the control for any loose connections or damage. Remove and reconnect any loose wires, and replace damaged connectors with new ones. If these steps do not work, it is likely that the control board is faulty and needs to be replaced. This can be done by a qualified technician or by oneself, provided a new control board is available. To replace the control board, remove the screws on the back edge of the main top. Slide the top back, and remove it to access the control board, which is usually located at the top right above the drum. Disconnect the connectors, remove the old control board, and install a new one.